Learn how to create registration form, all right, in Microsoft Forms from this video. At the end, you'll be able to generate this form and print it out from your computer. And I will still walk you through on how to get a link to it and share with people online. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to launch a web browser. In this case, I'll be using Microsoft Edge for this. As the Edge browser opens, visit forms.microsoft.com and log in with your Microsoft account details. Okay? Here I'll log into Microsoft Forms. But if you don't have an account, what you need to do is to find the sign up button and create an account, which after that you are logged in automatically. Okay? Now our interest here is on registration form, which is this. Okay? If you can't find yours here, please click on templates gallery. All right, this will show you a lot of templates you can use. All right, so you pick one and start using those ones that are free. But let me go back to the previous page. Then I'll click on registration. All right, on this page, I can start creating what I want to create by clicking here, give it a title, and start creating my registration form. But look at by this side, there are some templates that are here that were created to make this easier for us. What we need to do is to select one and remove what we don't want to find in the invitation in the registration form. Okay, so I'll click on this and it is applied here. If I check through and I feel like I don't like what I'm seeing here, I can still click on this. Okay, then I can customize it the way I like. Okay, but I'm okay with this, so let me go with this. All right. So I will scroll up until I get to the beginning of this. So this has a title Office Facility Request Form. So let's say, let me change this name and give it a name of my choice. So you click there to give it a name of your choice. So let me give mine. Okay, this one reads Godwin Tech Academy registration form. All right. Today's date is this, but if you don't want maybe the date to be assigned there, you can wipe it away. Okay, so you click out to work on other areas. Okay, so once you're done filling your title, just click out. Okay, and you will see how it will appear at the end. All right, then look at this, today's date. That means you're telling it to fill dates. And in my own case, I may not like today's date. I may just like to delete this. How do I do it? I will click here for it to be selected and I will click on this. So once you click on any part of the form, you can make any editing of your choice. Okay, so here it says name. Let me say I'll click here and have it as full name. Okay, so edit the template the way you want it. All right, so I can proceed to this section. Maybe I want to add something, but I don't want to add something. Or if you want to make it compulsory, check this box, click on this box for it to be made active. So the person will know that this is compulsory to be filled. Okay, department. Is there need? I don't want to have any department. I'll click here and change this thing to your email. All right, your email address. Okay, then I can check this box, click here for it to be compulsory. Date needed. I don't have anything like, I don't need anything like this. So I'll click here and delete this. Okay, these ones, what type of request are you submitting? I don't need anything like this, so I'll click here and I'll click on this. Okay, I don't need this, click here, remove it. Okay, I don't need this, click here, remove it. I just need basic information. So anything you don't need, click there and keep removing until you're left with what we want. Okay, I will remove this one too. So let me add question. I'll click here. Then I have choice. Maybe it's multiple choice, yes or no. You select this or test. All right. So let me go with test. I'll click on this. And I will say your age. Okay. Then after that, okay, this is checked already, compulsory. I'll add another question. Then I will go with test again. State of origin. Then, okay, I'll click here to add another one. Test. Country. Then I'll click here to add another one. Then I'll go with text course. So the subject, of course, the person is interested in. Okay, course of interest. Okay, so maybe the person is interested in learning Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the rest. So this is, simple form that the person needs to fill. Okay, so you can customize it the way you want that. So on the assumption that I'm done with this information, this is what I need, how I want my form to look like. The next step is to print. For you to print it out, what you need to do is to take your cursor to these three dots here. All right, click there and you will see some options. One of the options here is print form. Click on that print form. On clicking on print form, you will see how this will look like at the end. Okay, this is the preview. Now, what you need to do here is in the printer section, click and select the printer that you want to use. All right. After the selection, connect the printer to your computer or laptop, depending on the type of PC you are using. All right. And then hit the print button here. Okay. Click on this print button. But if maybe you don't have a printer right now, but you intend to print this out later, all right? Here I'm using Microsoft Windows 11 and Microsoft Print to PDF is selected. So let it be in this format and you click on print. Okay, so this will help you save this file in PDF. Just select a location on your PC where you want it to be saved. So I will click here and let it be saved in downloads. Then give the file a name. Let me call it GTech. Okay, GTech Reg. So just give it a name of your choice. Which after that you click on save. So this will be saved in PDF in the folder. Maybe when it's convenient for you, you can print it out. Maybe you don't have a printer right here, right there with you at the point in time. Okay. So if you maximize this, you will see how it will look when you want to print it. We have seen this before. All right. So you can shift this, but I don't have time for that. All right. So let's continue with the other things. Okay, so what is a situation whereby I need to share link to people online so that they can fill the form. All right, online, my students, maybe the prospective students are online. They want to fill the form maybe through their email or messenger or WhatsApp. What you need to do is to click on collect responses. This is journey long like this, so I'll check this box for it to be shortened. Then I'll click on copy for it to be copied. So once it's copied, I can share it to them through emails or WhatsApp or Messenger. Okay, any channel I want to use. Once they click on the link, the form will open for them to fill in. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button, okay? So that YouTube will push this video to more people because it's helpful to you. You can check out this video here to learn how to create other types of forms on Microsoft Forms. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.